this video is for you because you're the future generation. And we gotta protect you. Make sure you have a good future, right? Over the last couple of years specifically, there's been this new wave of eco-conscious living, also known as the zero waste revolution, which I think is absolutely fantastic because it means people are waking up and realizing that what they do matters and they have an impact on this earth now at this present moment and for our future generations. There's so much waste all around the world, and by making small changes in our lives, we can make a huge difference in this. And we can encourage and inspire others to do the same. But let's talk about the title, Zero Waste. First of all, I don't think it's realistic. I think it's intimidating for people to feel like they have to eliminate all waste out of their lives. I understand it, and I totally think it's inspiring for those who are actually doing it, but for most people, I find they think it's intimidating and they don't even want to try because of it. I think it's more important to just start little. Start with one small change that you can make in your life today to reduce the amount of waste you are making. And eventually you'll want to keep doing it. You'll want to do more and more and more and more and more. And you're going to be inspiring others as well in the meantime. And as a whole, we are going to make a huge impact, and we already are. So, without further ado, I'm going to get into some of the changes that I have been making when it comes to my travel essentials and zero waste. All the products that I'm going to be talking about in this video, I'll leave a link to in the description box below, so be sure to go and check those out. A reusable water bottle, probably something that you are doing already. It can seem a little bit more challenging when you're traveling to find a fresh water source in places specifically where it's not encouraged to drink the tap water because it can leave you sick. It's easier to just go to a store and buy a bottled water than to find sometimes a clean source of drinkable water you can fill your bottle up at. But more and more I'm seeing hotels and restaurants all over the world have a fresh water system where you can fill up your water bottle. So just always bring it with you because most likely you will be able to find a fresh water source. Reusable straws. I got some bamboo, I got some metal ones here. I bring them with me when I travel or just day-to-day living back home as well. Screw the plastic straws. We do not need those anymore. I was first inspired to use reusable straws when I saw a video you probably have seen as well of a sea turtle who has a plastic straw stuck in its nose, and these people pull it out, and it is one of the most heartbreaking videos I've ever seen. It makes you realize that this way of being senseless when it comes to waste and just buying things that are packaged in plastic and aren't recyclable and take years and years to deteriorate are in turn hurting our planet and hurting other living things in our planet. So if you haven't seen that video, I encourage you to watch it because it's a real eye-opener. You'll be able to find it. Just type it in YouTube, turtle and plastic straw. But anyways, yeah, these are great. Blend Jet, because I love having a smoothie every single morning. I've been doing it for years. It's how I start my day and I get my energy. And instead of trying to find a smoothie joint in the destination that I'm at, I now just make my own using local ingredients, local produce, fruits and vegetables, and it's also budget friendly. And the blade, let me just turn it on, is decent. It is no Vitamix, no Ninja, but it definitely does the job. And you can bring it with you throughout your whole day and just like keep adding things to it because it's a cup as well. It's got like this little filter at the top. Let me show you. Like this little like drinkable filter thing, so like no big pieces can come through it. Keeps your smoothie nice and like smooth and creamy. And you can just keep adding to it throughout the day and just keep blending it as you go. Pretty cool. A bamboo spork. Yes, a spork, if you haven't heard of one, is a spoon and a fork mixed together or in one. I found this a few years ago during my travels. I can't remember where I was, but I fell in love with it and I have been using it and traveling with it ever since then. It's great, so you don't have to use any plastic cutlery. You just have your little bamboo SPORK with you. Super easy to just throw in your purse. It's light, it's small, easy to travel with. Reusable pads. These are from a company called Glad Rags. I actually talk about periods and travel way more in depth and different products you can use, eco-friendly products, in a video I will link up somewhere that's gonna pop up now, as well as in the video description below. These are really, really great. I use reusable diapers as well for my daughter, so I can just throw these all into the wash together and use them over and over. It also is a huge money saver. I'm more about the pads. I have yet to try those underwear, the period underwear. If you've tried them, let me know how they are. But you can also use DIVA cups, or menstrual cups, I should say. DIVA cup is actually a brand. This is the DIVA cup, and this is another menstrual cup by Glad Rags as well. And this is what it looks like. Basically, you just put it in, it fills up with the blood, and then you empty it. And it's good for if you have like a normal flow kind of day for up to 12 hours. So this is great when you're traveling, you're out and about, and you don't want to have to deal with the mess. You just, at the end of the day, when you're back at your hotel or hostel or whatever, you clean up, you're good to go. A mason jar. If you're gonna choose any one of the things I mentioned in this video first, I would choose a mason jar because it is multi-purpose. I like to fill this up with yummy goodness for my flight, so I can put a meal in here for my flight to my destination. I can use it as a coffee mug. I can use it for water, any other type of beverage. I can use it for leftovers after I've eaten at a restaurant. There's so many things you can use a mason jar for. An electric razor. This thing is great. Sia and I both use it, and we've had it for 2 years now and have not had to change the blade yet. It's still going strong. You don't even need water and soap to use it, which is great. Rechargeable batteries. If you don't have them, go get yourself some because they're awesome, and we use them for all of our electronics. Bar shampoo and conditioner. I was first skeptical about bar shampoo and conditioner because I have a lot of hair, very thick hair, and when you look at it, I'll take it out. When you look at it, this is a shampoo bar. I thought like it wouldn't last more than like a week. And I have been using this for a month and a half now, and the lady at the store told me it'd be good for like 80 washes, and I completely believe her because it lathers up so well. And I just tend to wash the roots of my hair and leave the ends of my hair. I don't really wash those, I just rinse it with water. This is gonna last me so long, cost me $12, and you can put in your carry-on because it's not a liquid. So great. The conditioner, on the other hand, I go through a lot faster. You can see here, I bought it at the same time as my shampoo, and I am more than halfway done. I use a lot of conditioner in my hair, but to me, even if I have to buy it more often, I still feel like it's worth it because I know I'm making a difference than buying plastic conditioner bottles. It smells so heavenly too. And it works really well. Bar facial and body moisturizer and serum. I use this serum on my face. It is so hydrating. This will last me probably about 4 to 5 months. This is also from Lush. It's like almost slipping out of my hand because it's so creamy. And it smells so delicious. You just want to eat it, but you shouldn't. Don't eat it. Maybe you could eat it. It's all natural. Reusable makeup wipes. These things are great. I got them at the Green Living Show in Toronto, which is happens every year, and it's like a place where you can get like eco-friendly products. Really cool event. And these are made basically, one side is made from like a face cloth material, and the other side's a little softer material. I just use a little bit of coconut oil to wipe off my makeup, throw these in the laundry, and you can reuse them over and over again. They're great. A day bag. I never leave the house or hostel, guest house, whatever, hotel without a day bag. One, because I'm always carrying my camera with me, and also if I want to shop, whether it's grocery shopping, clothing shopping, whatever, I don't want to use plastic bags. I just put everything in my day bag. So anything that I collect throughout the day goes in here, and I don't have to use any type of plastic bags. bamboo toothbrush. I transitioned from other types of toothbrushes to bamboo one about a month and a half ago. I love it. I have sensitive teeth, sensitive gums, and the bristles are super soft. They're plant-based. The base of this is made from bamboo, and the whole thing is biodegradable. And a cloth napkin. This is actually a face cloth that I stole from Kai. But you can use like a hanky or whatever. I just throw it in my purse or my bag and use it instead of a napkin throughout the day. You can use it when you travel, you can use it when you're at home, you can use it at any time and just use it over and over and over again. You don't have to throw anything into the garbage after using it once. This is good forever. Bringing snacks from home for your flight. I highly encourage this so you're not buying anything and spending so much money too at the airports, buying snacks that are in plastic bags or whatever. You can bring your own snacks from home. You can put them in your mason jar, which I had recommended, and then use the container over and over again. These are the changes that I have made over the last little while, and I am really feeling good about it. I want to keep making changes, but once you start, you just want to keep going and going. It becomes like a fun game and something that feels good. You know you're making a difference, and I hope you watching this video first, I think, since you clicked on it, something that you're interested in, and I hope that this inspired you in some way to make small changes in your life that will in turn make a huge difference. Now, I want to know, what small changes have you already made in your life to reduce your waste? Leave your comments below. I can't wait to read them. And all of the items that I talked about in this video, I will link in the description box below.